How to import a CSV file into Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file into Notion so you can easily bring your data into your workspace for better organization. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Notion website. If you're not already logged in, click Login. For a quick sign in, choose Continue with Google and select the Google account linked to your Notion workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want your CSV data to live. Then, click the three dots in the top right corner of the page. From the menu, select Import. Now, click Upload from your computer. A file browser window will pop up. Find your CSV file, select it, and click Open. Just like that, your CSV is now inside Notion. From here, you can format it, turn it into a database, or customize it however you want. And that's it. Importing a CSV into Notion is quick, easy, and a great way to keep all your data in one place. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.